direction.
Devs.
Oliver, going home?
Yeah. When I get home, I'm gonna build Luna Park. Luna Park. Luna Park.
And what?
Planet coaster.
Jesus, get so close to the camera.
You can't wait.
Suitcases. Oh, yeah, it's been an amazing week, guys. But time to say goodbye. I'll take you for the journey back home. It's going to be a very depressing video. I am sorry for dampening the mood.
we will ride in breakdance for every day.
That's right.
Look at that. A Ferrari.
I know. So yeah, we're just kind of waiting for pickup. Whoop! Out the way, Oliver. Meow.
Whoa.
Out the way. So yeah, just waiting for pickup at the moment, guys. We had an early breakfast. Ready for pickup. The coach here at Portaventura. And there's our coach. Goodbye from Portaventura, I guess, guys.
My friend, here is Spanish. My name is Horacio.
Hey!
Okay.
Got him on the vlog. There we are. Let's go, guys. Let's go.
Portaventura to Red Airport with roughly between 15 to 20 minutes. So please, we are gonna appreciate if you just can fasten your seatbelts and keep the anchor back. Yeah. So did you enjoy holidays here? Yeah, you can tell some of you have a tan. Yeah. So I'm pretty sure you've been enjoying those beautiful sunsets as well. Holding a nice cold cocktail. Oh my God, that's life. That's life, you know. So yeah, we're glad to know that you spent a great week at Costa Dorada. A few minutes before getting to the airport, I'll be sharing with you some information related with.
Because like Zaragoza has like the most proper stops in like an actual place. I knew it was something already.
Where are we going, Oliver?
Home.
Back home and out.
Luna Park. Whoa, watch out, watch out!
Into the smallest airport known to mankind. Ruis Airport. Oh God.
One shop here in this airport is tiny. And it's right there.
Yeah, one shop.
One tiny airport.
It is a small airport, right?
Just playing Roblox. Try tomorrow. Why can't we like
Here we go.
today? We're flying back.
Flying back home. Depressed, love?
Yeah, very depressed. It is nice to go home, yeah.
Yeah, a week is long enough, guys. But yeah, pretty depressing. The weather's not too great today either. Here in Spain. Certainly not like it was when we landed. E and 12D, Oliver. There we are, 12E and 12D. mess, guys.
Um,
Rain.
it's gonna be like this when we get home.
It is. Rain. Jackets. Hoodies. Rain.
Do I have
Oh,
a jacket?
lovely.
Do I have a jacket?
And Ryan's wrapped up in a hoodie. Oh, lovely.
Alright, head straight over then, guys.
Thank
Straight
you.
over.
When we always get to Spain,
I
it's
know.
sunny.
Rain, 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 rain.
Boy, but since we went to Spain.
Oh, look, BBC News. Oh, I'll probably lose about 20 subs for this little clip. It's depressing. It's not the usual upbeat Breaking Trails content, right? It's just depressing. Yeah, back home.
Welcome to the UK.
Welcome to the UK border.
I see ours.
I see ours too.
This one coming in, guys. Ready?
Ready to grab. Whee!
Get it,
Get away, Oliver. Oh my god. It's heavy. Go wait for Oliver, huh? Ready? Can you see it? Yeah, I know, I can see it. Can you see yours? Oh. Hey, well done. And we got one more to come.
I got it. That's what I was trying to tell you.
Alright, stop shouting at me. I've had it off the wife all week. Ready, Oliver?
Yeah.
There it is. I just saw it. I hope you have a good holiday.